Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're looking at smart home automation with smart plugs. We'll be reviewing how these gadgets can help automate your daily home devices. So, what's a smart plug? It plugs into your wall outlet, and you plug your electronics into it. The key difference? You control these smart plugs remotely using your smartphone or voice commands. Why smart plugs? They offer convenience. Imagine turning on your coffee maker from bed or a lamp before you get home. That's automation. Also, smart plugs help save energy. You can schedule devices to turn off when not in use. This leads to savings on your electricity bill. Now, features to look for. Firstly, compatibility. Ensure it works with your smart home ecosystem, like Amazon, Alexa or Google Assistant. This determines how easily it integrates. Next, app control. A user-friendly app is crucial for scheduling and remote control. Look for apps offering energy monitoring to track power usage. Another aspect is easy setup. Most smart plugs are user-friendly, but some are easier. Look for clear instructions in a straightforward process. Finally, think about safety. Look for overload protection to prevent appliance damage. Also, consider the physical design. Do you need a compact plug? Setting up a smart plug is easy. Plug it in, download the app, connect to Wi-Fi, and add your devices. Then, create schedules, set timers, and control remotely. How to automate daily devices. Examples: automate your living room lamp or your coffee maker. The possibilities are endless. In conclusion, smart plugs automate your home devices. They offer convenience, energy savings, and other benefits. Smart plugs are an excellent starting point for smart home automation. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tech reviews. Let me know in the comments what devices you plan to automate. Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of smart plugs. Specifically, we'll be reviewing them and exploring how they can help you automate your daily home devices. Smart plugs are a fantastic, budget-friendly entry point into home automation, and they can make a real difference in your everyday life. So, what exactly are smart plugs? Well, they're essentially adapters that plug into your regular wall outlets. You then plug your appliances, lamps, or other devices into the smart plug. The magic happens when you connect these smart plugs to your home Wi-Fi network. Suddenly, you gain the ability to control those devices remotely, using your smartphone or voice assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant. It's like giving your dumb devices a brain. Now, let's talk about the benefits. One of the biggest advantages is convenience. Imagine being able to turn on your coffee maker from bed, so your coffee is ready when you get up. Or maybe you want to turn on a lamp before you get home from work, making your house feel more welcoming. Smart plugs make all of this possible. Another huge benefit is energy savings. Many smart plugs come with features that allow you to monitor energy usage. You can see how much power each device is consuming, and identify energy vampires that are needlessly draining power even when turned off. With this information, you can make informed decisions about your energy consumption, potentially lowering your electricity bill. Furthermore, you can set schedules to automatically turn devices off when they're not in use, preventing wasted energy. Smart plugs also offer enhanced security. You can use them to create the illusion that you're home, even when you're not, by setting up schedules for lights to turn on and off at different times. You can deter potential intruders. It's a simple yet effective way to add an extra layer of security to your home. Setting up a smart plug is usually a breeze. Most models offer a straightforward process. You simply plug the device into a wall outlet, download the companion app on your smartphone, and follow the on-screen instructions to connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Then, you can start adding your devices and creating schedules. Integration with voice assistants is usually just as easy, requiring you to link your smart plug account with your Alexa or Google Assistant account. So, what should you look for when choosing a smart plug? Consider the following. Compatibility: ensure the smart plug is compatible with your existing devices. And smart home ecosystem: check if it works with your preferred voice assistant. Features: some plugs offer additional features like energy monitoring, USB charging ports, or surge protection. Determine which features are most important to you. App quality: read reviews about the companion app. A user-friendly and reliable app is crucial for a positive experience. Safety: look for smart plugs that are UL certified or have other safety certifications. This ensures they meet safety standards. Smart plugs are a game changer. They are an accessible and effective way to automate your home devices. They offer convenience, energy savings, and enhanced security. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a newcomer to the smart home world, smart plugs are a great place to start. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.